Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. The new set's released today, that's the 1st of November 2021 at 8 PM at Greenwich Mean Time. You can purchase the sets as a bundle exclusively from Clearly Besotted or separately from Clearly Besotted, Simon Says Stamp, Card Nouveau, Art Creative and Cloud9 Crafts, and I will have links to those shops down below in the description bar. So as I usually do, I'm going to share the new sets with you and also the samples that I have made as a design team member. So let's get started. This is the Be Merry set. So cute. I love all of these cute little bees there. There's also a beehive and a honey pot. Such a cute set. You can create some really lovely scenes with this set. You've got ornaments that you can hang off of the tree, like they're all kind of honeycomb kind of shaped, which is really cool. Some really fun different sentiments, things like it's the buzziest time of the year, be nice, eat, drink and be merry. You've got like buzzy bee, may your Christmas be merry and bright. Such a really fun kind of set, and I love all of the different bees in their different poses, like with the elf hat, the Santa hats, one with the candy cane, the one holding the ornament ready to decorate for Christmas. Really fun set. So this is the card that I made using that set. I did some distress inking in the background and used the Cloudy Day stencil from Clearly Besotted, and then I also added in a stencil from Newton's Nook for the snowflakes. I thought it would be quite fun to have kind of like the snowflakes nestled inside of the clouds. I also added on a little bit of sparkle splatter, a bit difficult to see in the photos and on camera unfortunately, but in real life it's quite nice and sparkly. And then I stamped out the cute little bees, coloured them with Copic markers and fussy cut them out with scissors, and then I white heat embossed a sentiment there onto black cardstock. I thought it'd make a cute little scene, something a little bit different for Christmas cards. Next up is the Pull the Other One set. I didn't get a chance to use it this month, but it is a really cute set. So you've got like the cat there and the duck pulling the wishbone, which is really cute, and then you've got the critters with the kind of half each of the cracker that they've just pulled, and you've got like the bang that you can add behind it, and then the other one here kind of pulling the cracker as well. A stack of presents, which is really fun, so you can add that to loads of different scenes. Some really great sentiments, things like may all your Christmas wishes come true, naughty and I know it, oh snap, in different kind of fonts there. Santa stop here, I've had fun being naughty, wish big, just like I said, really fun set. Next up is the Winter Woodland set. I absolutely adore this set. It's so cute with all of these adorable critters. You've got like the hedgehog there, the squirrel, the bunny, the fox, the bear and the reindeer, and they've all got ice skates on so they can be skating on this kind of lake here. I love that Clearly Besotted do add these kind of background images in, so you don't really have to do any masking. If you didn't want to, you can just stamp that, it's kind of ready to go. I did end up masking a little bit on my card, which you'll see, but it's very minimal, so I love that you can do that. But you can also use the critters like in other scenes as well. Some great sentiments again, things like to my foxy friend, Berry Christmas, hedgehogs and kisses, hoppy holidays, hello dear, if kisses were snowflakes I'd send you a blizzard, and snow cute. Just think it's an adorable set. This is the card that I made using this set. I kept it very simple. I just stamped out that background image. I masked off the bottom and the trees so that I could do some ink blending in the sky with distress inks. Did some very simple kind of Copic colouring on the ice there, and then also the snow and the trees. And then I stamped out the cute little fox and the squirrel separately and fussy cut those out. Coloured them with Copic markers, fussy cut them out. I did colour this little squirrel grey. I have to say, here in the UK, we used to have red squirrels, but it seems like most of the squirrels now are all grey, and I do love both of them. They are quite cute little critters, but I thought it'd be different from the fox there. And then I just added loads of snow with a white gel pen, and the sentiment there is from the A Little Sentimental set. Next up is the Sulking Santa set. This is such a fun set. Every year Clearly Besotted do bring out these kind of bar humbug type holiday sets. I shared one in my last video as well, and this one here is the little kind of grumpy bears, and then you've also got some kind of angry kind of penguins there as well. I think these are more angry, and then the the bears are more kind of grumpy, I think, by the expressions. I love this one here. He's kind of stuck in the chimney. That's really funny. The penguin there kind of looking at the naughty list, them kind of pulling like Santa sack, and then he's really grumpy because he's got a Santa sack full of presents, one with the kind of light stuck on the foot. Just a really fun kind of all-round set. Some fun sentiments again, things like it's the most stressful time of the year, your name's not down, so you can add that like with this image here, which would be fun. Be naughty and save Santa a trip. You've got things like grr, sigh, and little things like that, which are always fun to kind of add on to scenes. Things like, is it over yet? It's the most expensive time of the year, blur. Just like I said, really kind of fun set. And this is the card that I made using that set. I kept it very simple, and the background uses the Dash and Through set, which is an older set, and I just used the background for that and heat embossed that, masked the bottom off, and then did some distress inking in the sky, added in loads of white paint for splatter for the snow, and then I stamped out the sulking bear there. Well, I think he's quite grumpy really, and coloured him with Copic markers, fussy cut him out, and then I heat embossed the sentiment there so that he's got something to stand on. Just thought it was quite a fun kind of card. Next up is the Merry Mole set, something a little bit different. Again, I love these kind of different sort of animals for Christmas and the holidays. So you've got all of the different moles here, and I absolutely adore these cute little mice. They're just so adorable. And then you've got lots of different moles, like ones with Santa hats on, one with the reindeer antlers, one with the scarf on, one holding some lights, and the one with the bauble or the ornament there. So really fun that you can use them kind of like general winter cards, not just for Christmas cards. Definitely all sorts of different holidays I think would work well with this set. But you have got the kind of Christmas tree here that they have decorated, like I'm assuming it's kind of like a twig that they've added into their mound, and then you can add presents around it as well. Again, some fun sentiments, things like I'm very good at being bad, welcome to the North Mole, enjoy yourself, dear Santa, I tried, Merry Mole, I'm on the mice list, I've been mice all year, you're too cute for the naughty list. Like I said, really fun set. Now I have to be 100% honest with you here, I'm not keen on the card that I made. I absolutely adore the images, but I just couldn't get it to work, unfortunately, in the time that I had. So I am sharing the card even though I don't love it. I know some people can still get inspiration from it, even though I don't love it personally. I just did a really kind of simple background with some Copic markers, added in some ground and some kind of grass fronds there, and then added the kind of Christmas tree image on top, and then added one of the moles there and the little mouse, and just stamped out the sentiment there at the top. I think I might take these images off and try again on another card, but I just couldn't get it to work at the time, so I apologise that I don't love my card, but it's not awful. But like I said, I absolutely adore these critters, so I definitely want to use them again. And then last but not least, this is the Tangled in Tinsel set. It is so cute. Got all of these critters that can be around the Christmas tree, but you can use them separately as well. So lots of them holding ornaments, the one literally tangled in tinsel there, the one with the candy cane, and then you've got this beautiful tree with the presents around. Again, some great sentiments. Santa, is it too late to be nice? Don't get your tinsel in a tangle, excuse me. Sending candy cane wishes and mistletoe kisses. Dear Santa, it wasn't me. Just like I said, really fun set. And I thought I'd create a tag for this set. So I just did some distress inking in the background. This is the tag along die set from Clearly Besotted. I added in the sentiment at the bottom from the Little Sentimental set, stamped out the tree with the presents, coloured those with Copic markers and fussy cut them out, and then added the little bunny on top. And I did add some crystal glaze to the candy cane as well to make it kind of sparkle. And there is some sparkle in the sky as well, but again, it's quite difficult to see on camera sadly, but in real life it is really nice. So that was a look at the new release from Clearly Besotted for November 2021. Links to the products will be in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.